There you go. Start an entourage. Well, you want me to shoot him?
Yeah. Come on, kid. Do me a favor. Come on.
Do yourself a favor. Hit him.
Are you serious?
Hey, close the blinds.
All right, I'll shoot him.
Go.
Pow!
Boom!
Shoot him.
No, man.
Youngsters these days, huh? You're not gonna shoot him? All right, give me. Rookies.
Yeah, you want to get shit done, you got to get it done yourself.
Holy shit!
Come on, breathe. Breathe, there you go. Just let it go. Breathe, dog. Yeah, he's finished. Where's the stinger? Right here. All right, Jeff. You took fire coming through the door.
I need some time off, but... Okay, whoa, okay? Lots of shades.
All right.
Good. Okay.
All right, you ready?
Kiss me, baby.
1.
Oh!
Yeah? You all right?
Yeah,
All right, I gotta give you one more, though.
do it.
Oh, fuck!
All right, listen. It's not what you know. It's what you can prove, okay? Here's a scenario. Mark and Paul, you kick the door. Jeff's the first one through. Roger opens fire, hits Jeff twice, right? Come on, one go through?
Shit!
Yeah, man, you shot him.
You fucking shot me, man!
All right, you'll get a medal. Don't worry about it.
Give me an inch!
Hey. You want to go to jail? You want to go home? All right, here's the scenario, all right? Let me quarterback this thing. Mark, Paul, you kick the door in. Jeff's the first one through. Roger opens fire, bang, bang, hits Jeff twice. Our new guy, Hoyt, he's in second, drops Roger with some fine shotgun work. Who shot Roger?
New guy came in spraying.
Paul.
Boot shot him.
What'd you guys see?
White blasted him.
Yeah, fuck Lloyd, okay? Aim me this time.
Done. Paul, hold him up.
1149-998. Shots fired. Officer down. Repeat. Officer down. 5951 Baxter Street.
Congratulations, son. You're gonna get a Medal of Valor for this.
I didn't shoot him.
Room full of cops said you did.
But I didn't. You did.